Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today is a makeup look. I'm trying out a new palette from BH Cosmetics. It's the second edition, and if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, just keep watching. So first I'm going to prime my eyelids. I'm going to use my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Espresso. I'll just put that all over my eyelids. Now I'm going to set that with my loose face powder from Airspun. I'm just going to set that. Now for this look, I'm going to be using my new palette from BH Cosmetics. It's the second edition 120 colors. And I'm just going to use it for the first time. So the first tray is these colors like this, and then the other tray is these in here. So I'm thinking I'm just gonna do like some browns and stuff just to use it up out of here, just to go with the outfit I have on. I can start off with the color like this color. So now that I did that, I'm going to take this darker color here in my crease. I'm just going to use this brush. So now I'm just going to take this kind of lavender looking color here and just put it all over my face. So now I'm going to take my eyeliner from Wet n Wild. It's the Pro Line Felt Tip eyeliner. I'm going to attempt to do it on camera. Now the mascara I'm using is from Nick Nack, New York. I'm just going to use this because it's all on my eyelashes. Now for primer, I use this e.l.f. Hydrating Face Primer. Now I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me foundation in the color 370, which is deep bronze, and I just take this beauty blender and blend all that out. Now I'm going to be taking this same concealer and just put it in places that I want to highlight. I'm just going to blend it out with this damn beauty blender. Now I'm going to contour. This contour is from Ruby Kisses, and it's the 3D Face Creator, and I use the shade. And I just use this contouring brush I got from e.l.f. Now I'm just going to set all of that with my Airspun Loose Face Powder in the color Naturally Neutral. I don't bake, I'm just going to see. Now I'm just going to take the brush and wipe all that away. Now I'm just taking this mirror powder from Ruby Kisses, and this is in the color Cognac. I'm just going to put that all over my face. Now I'm going to take this blush from Milani. This is in the color Tea Rose, and I'm just going to put it on my cheeks. Now that all that is done, I'm going to take this, my setting spray, and this is from Hard Candy, and this is below. Make sure that it's all in. I'm just going to take my brush. Now I have been using two different highlighters. This highlighter palette is from Hard Candy, and it comes with 3 highlighters. And I also been using this liquid highlighter from Black Radiant. So I just use this first and just add a little bit to it. So it comes with this little brush. And so I'm just going to take the layer shade, just kind of like a rose gold kind of color. Now you only need a little of this because you can overdo it, so I'm just going to take just a couple little drops of this. And I'm just going to use my sticky stuff. So for this, I'm just going to be using this clear lip gloss today. Everything that I use will be linked down in the description box below. I want to thank you guys for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.